You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
In order for us to promote this reading, in order for people to read, then we must have that favorable reading environment. Just right away from the infrastructure, like I said, these libraries there. Do we have these books? If we say we have these books, even if you have your money, they are those creators of the books, the authors, the publishers. And therefore, without this, without the author, for example, writing the book, then you'll have nothing in the library. So we have tried to have sensitization, we have tried to have talks like the one we have had today, so that we come out to sensitize. If he's an author, yes, we want your book, but that book should be to standard. Like we said, it must have a ISBN. Then, if it is a reader, we are telling them, don't just simply read for purposes of academics. Now, on the part of the authors, like we are saying, like we said, people write for different reasons. There are those who write for inspirationism, there are those who write for economic gain.